Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. Today I am going to be re-lubricating and cleaning these gears. Now, all of this is from the turbo rig right here. This right here, not these parts right here, like these two things right here, but all of these are from the turbo rig. I'm talking about this gear, this trigger, these other gears, a worm gear and a normal gear. Another gear right here. This gear right here that actually powers it to go up and down. It fell off. And this last one right here. And those two more. This one right here is for the driving, for the back wheels right here. And this right here is for the pistons. Now, why am I gonna clean them and lubricate them again? Well, wait, hold on, let me just get all these again. Get all these right here. I recently got a new grease. Red and Tacky, new improved formula. Lucas Red and Tacky. And I tend to do this for like mostly all my rotors, where like when I get a new grease, I tend to lubricate my old rotors with this. It's pretty much like updating a phone. You know what I'm saying? Like you want to update everything on there. Well, not everything, but like, I don't think that made sense. But you get what I mean. You get what I mean. What I'm pretty much saying is that I'm going to clean the gears from all the old Red and Tacky grease, and re-lubricate them with this guy. But it's not only this. It's not only these gears. It's actually these ones too, right here. These right here. This is for the engine, for the pistons. This is for the driving. And this is for the turbo. And these all will be lubricated with my new way of lubricating motors. Remember those videos I posted like a couple months ago? No, light turned off. Remember those videos that I posted a couple months ago where the title said like how I fix or lubricate these motors? Please, I beg of you, do not recreate what I made in those videos. Those videos are outdated and not up to my standards. Now, to this day, as I speak, I have created a brand new way to lubricate these motors without having the mistakes that I did before. Because I realized that when I fixed my caliper dump truck, it actually started to squeak again. That's when you knew it did not work. What I did before did not work anymore. And, well, pretty much, my new way to fix these motors or lubricate them, they're way much better. And honestly, I am so excited. I'm so excited to show you guys how I lubricate these motors. And hopefully in this video, but like the other parts I show, it will show me like actually, lubricating them and pretty much showing you guys how I lubricate it now, because I don't know how to explain it really. You can tell I'm having like a hard time explaining it. I think it's best for me to just show you guys how I do it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll be cleaning these gears with Dawn Platinum dish soap power wash. Well, not power wash, but you get what I mean. But yeah, yeah, pretty much it. That didn't make any sense, that last part. But yeah, the other videos, hopefully, is me opening up these motors and pretty much going step by step how I do it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.